Hello everyone, good morning all of you. I am Shabina Fatma. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about post-mortem changes. So after death there are various bodily changes which we can see and then we can say that the person is dead. So there are various signs of death and there are various changes after death. So there are various types of changes: immediate, early, and late. Means there are various signs after death. Like the immediate signs are the cessation of respiration. When the person die, there's no circulation in his body. So there is cessation of respiration, cessation of circulation, and insensibility and loss of voluntary power. So these are the immediate signs which we can see just after death. So the immediate signs which we can also say it somatic death. So the next changes is early changes, which is also known as cellular death, like the changes in the eye, or the cooling of the body, or post-mortem lividity, rigor mortis, loss of elasticity of skin. These are some of the early sign after death. And there are some late changes which is also known as decomposition and decay, like putrefaction, adipocere formation, and mummification. So let me conclude it. Means after that there are various signs. There are various signs: immediate sign, early sign, and late sign. So the stoppage of breathing, heart rate, these come under immediate sign. Is just after that these all happen. And there are some, and then the changes in the eye, cooling of body, losing of elasticity of skin, that is rigor mortis. These come under early sign. And then after few months, we can say, or after few days, there are late sign. Means after few days the late signs appear in the body, like the putrefaction. Obviously the body started to decompose. Then the adipocere formation, means the body become soap like structure, means the body become like soap. And then the mummification, the body dehydrated, the all the water loose from the body, all the fats goes off, and the body mummify. So these are some of the signs of following the death. So what are the immediate signs? Like the cessation of respiration, cessation of circulation, and loss of voluntary power. Means the person is unconscious, he cannot respond. So in immediate changes, or which we can say the somatic death, means the death of the systems. So there are three systems in our body which we call bishop tripods of life, that is respiration, circulation, and brain function. So the stoppage of these three functions, or any one of these functions, come under this immediate changes or somatic death. So when the brain function stops, there will be no motor response, there will be no motor activity, no signal will be sent to the brain, and then no response to it, because there is no signal there is no signal reached to brain. So how can a brain give signal to hand or leg to move the leg or to do anything? So there is no motor response. For example, when there is a stoppage of circulation, means when the heartbeat stops, and if it is irrecoverable, then it is a sign of death. We can do some of the tests to check whether a person is dead or not. Like we can put a mirror in front of a nose, and then see whether the vapors filled over the surface of the mirror or not, because in cases of living person, obviously there can be vapors accumulated on the surface of the mirror, but in dead person there's no such phenomena occur. So, and then the edge will be flat in cases of dead person. So when the brain stops function, when there is cessation of brain function, the mode of death is known as coma. And when the heart does not function, heart stops function, then there is a mode of death, and this mode of death is called syncope. And when there is a stoppage of, or when there is interference with the respiration, it is called asphyxia. So asphyxia, that is, asphyxia is what? Interference with respiration. Syncope means stoppage of heart function, and then coma means there is no brain function. These are three modes of death. So friends, this is all about the brief introduction about the signs of death and the changes following death. Friends, if you like the video, then please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a good day. Jai Hind.